Hi, this is Farhan and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be talking about something that you probably are thinking about but don't really want to say it out loud, and that is, are we officially in a bear market? Is the price of XRP and pretty much the world of crypto in a bear market? And if we are, how long is this going to last? So a lot of really interesting things to talk about in today's video, and obviously focusing on XRP. But let's get everything straight, and that is, it seems that all the signals and indicators are pointing towards a bear market, but there are some chances that we can step out of this. But all of these things will be discussed in today's video. But before doing that, let's take a look at the price of XRP today. The world of crypto and pretty much a lot of cryptos out there experience quite a steady fall today, starting with the price of XRP. And at the time making this video, the price of XRP is at around $0.71, a decrease of more than 9% compared to yesterday, and a decrease of more than 13% compared to 1 week ago. So the price of XRP is not doing that good, and it was all thanks to the Bitcoin, because Bitcoin did drop today, and I will be talking why in a bit. And then talking about the chart today for XRP, well, it was started with $0.79, and then it has been on a steady decline, and it is trading at around 0.71 today. And if you're talking about the summary today, the daily summary stands at a strong sell, moving averages at a strong sell, technical indicators at a strong sell, and obviously the important RSI is also at a strong sell. Now if you're talking about the weekly position, the summary here is it is at neutral point, even though we did witness quite a decrease today in the prices. The moving average is at a neutral, technical indicators at a sell, and the important RSI is at a neutral point. And talking about the monthly position, the summary is still standing very strong at a strong buy, moving averages and technical indicators suggesting that it is good for XRP for the long term, and the RSI, it is at a neutral point. These charts, they have been pretty same for the last couple of days and couple of weeks. And if you're talking about the monthly position, it has been this for many months. And now, in fact, the only difference we saw was the change in the RSI for the monthly position from buy to a neutral point at this today. Now if you're talking about the general world of crypto, we did witness quite a significant drop, and that was related to Bitcoin. And pretty much, as you guys already know, the Bitcoin price pretty much dictates the entire world of crypto, and with that it brought down a lot of other cryptos out there today. So it was not that good day, but things will change in the future. Now let's talk about the pretty much the most important thing, and that is, are we officially in a bear market? And if you guys are pretty much into the world of cryptocurrency, and especially in the recent weeks or so, you might have heard this phrase called the death cross. Basically, this is an indicator to suggest that we might be entering into the bear market. The death cross basically is related to the price of Bitcoin, and you guys already know Bitcoin dictates the world of crypto, and that is when the price of Bitcoin, the 50-day moving average price of Bitcoin, falls below the 200-day moving average. And that recently happened. It happened a couple of days back on Friday, and that has kind of created a panic amongst the community and suggesting that, hey, we might be entering into this bear market. But obviously there are some other analysts saying that this is very overrated and very overhyped, and it doesn't really suggest anything else. But if you're looking at the fear and greed index, this is also one of a very good indicator to see where we are right now. And as of right now, it is standing at an extreme fear. And if you're looking at yesterday, last week, and last month, they all stand at extreme fear. So we have been in this bear market for some time now. I know there's some people out there who are saying that, hey, we are not in a bear market, we're still in the bull run. And even myself, in some of my videos, I have said that, but it seems that we might be officially entering into one. But that doesn't mean that it is a bad thing. In fact, bear markets are one of the best opportunities to buy the crypto that you're looking for. And in fact, personally for me, I will be buying crypto in this bear market. So now the question is, how long is this going to last, especially related to the price of XRP? And I'm pretty sure a lot of you have invested in XRP, and the 52-week high of price of XRP was about $1.96, and since then we have fallen quite considerably at around $0.7. So what is happening, and how long is this going to last? Now let's look at how long this might actually last, and to see to predict that, we have to look at the past trends. Now this chart is an excellent one, and it actually shows how long we have been in the bear market and the bull market. And if you guys are following the world of crypto for many years, you would know, and this is also related to the world of stock, that it's a very cyclic period in which we get bear and bull market followed with each other. So the first one started back in 2014, and that was the bear market, which lasted for 633 days, and then we had a bull market for around 845 days. These were the pretty longest ones. Then we have pretty much short intervals. I don't know if to call it short or not, but then we had about 361 days of bear market, followed by 192 days of bull market. Then we had 260 days of bear market, and now with the current one at 407 days, that puts it at more than a year in the bull market. Now, if you're suggesting this, it might seem that we are still in this for quite many months. Having said all of this, now there are some other indicators out there which are telling us that, hey, we might actually be entering into this bull market again near the end of this year. And one of the biggest indicators and one of the most accurate indicators in the world of crypto is predicting absolutely amazing year for the world in 2021. See, one of the best forecasting models from the world of crypto is from the creators of stock to flow, and that is PlanB, and they are putting an absolutely crazy high price prediction for the entire world of crypto. And they're basically putting for Bitcoin, but you can get an idea for how much it will relate to, and pretty much if you guys have been following it, the entire world of crypto is correlated to the price of Bitcoin, and they put it now, even with the worst case scenario for Bitcoin would still see trade at $47,000 in August. A slight reversal in September places the minimum target of 43,000 for that month, only to be followed by 63,000 in October, near current all-time highs. Things then heat up with $98,000 on cards in November and a giant $135,000 by the end of this year, and they're putting it as Bitcoin can go as high as $450,000 in 2021 and $135,000 as the worst case scenario. So, and if we put this and correlate to the price of XRP, now do keep in mind that XRP is still going through this lawsuit, and by the time we do see these numbers, things might be very different in the world of XRP. But again, this would put XRP almost close to its all-time high price point of around more than $3. And if it does, if Bitcoin is able to reach the 400k plus price, then the price of XRP would go absolutely crazy high, touching more than $6-7. But again, these are all related to basically the price of Bitcoin doing absolutely crazy good, and not related to this SEC lawsuit, which has kind of hampered the price progression for XRP. And from the recent news coming from the world of Ripple and XRP related to this SEC lawsuit, things have been extended, and we might actually see the verdict related to this lawsuit somewhere by the end of this year in December or early 2022. So things are going to be pretty interesting. And if you believe in this crypto that you are getting, whether it is XRP or anything else, and my suggestion for pretty much a lot of advice related to investment is to invest for the long term. Now, I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys, especially XRP investors out there, are feeling pretty down considering that the price is pretty low, and some of you especially who had bought XRP in the last couple of months, you might be actually in a loss. But this very good article, it kind of reminds people, especially a lot of investors out there, that hey, if you are thinking about investing into not just the world of crypto but also into the stocks and pretty much anything, it is a long-term game. In fact, this puts it, if you had invested $1,000 in XRP about 5 years ago, that would be worth around $147,000, which is absolutely crazy. And this is the same thing for a lot of people out there who are basically new to the world of investments, and that is, this is a long-term game. And I have been in this world, in the world of crypto for many years, and I'm holding strong, and I think so should you. Well guys, that was the video for today. Let me know, what do you think about the current price momentum of XRP and pretty much the overall sentiment around the world of crypto, and let me know if you guys think we are still in the bull market or we have officially entered into the bear market. So do drop a comment below, because I would love to know what are your thoughts related to that. Well guys, if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing, giving this video a like, as the YouTube algorithm will recommend you my content in the future, and make sure to turn on that bell icon. And thank you for watching this video, and as always, I will see you next time.